Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get the Wax coin on Trust Wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win an iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trust Wallet, then go to the wallet section, and on the wallet section on the top of the screen you can see the receive and buy icons. Now choose the one that you are interested in. Then at the search bar you just type in Wax and it's going to open up all the available Wax coins. And when you tap on it, it's going to generate for you your new QR code and new address. And with this new QR code and address, you can receive Wax tokens in your Trust Wallet. Or you can either just tap on copy and it's going to copy your address and use that for your transactions. The second option, the set amount option, is a very cool feature. Here you can type in a set amount of Wax coins and it's going to generate for you a new QR code, and with this new QR code you can receive just this exact amount of coins, which is a very cool way for transactions or payments. And obviously with the share icon you can share your QR code on social media. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone 13 and see you in the next one. Bye.